So let us now try to find the equation of a line perpendicular to a given line. So here you have a given line, this pink line is your given line, which is having the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right? The equation of this is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That means what is the slope of this line? The slope of this line is minus b by a, right? Or sorry, it's minus a by b, minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. If we have this available with us, how do we write the equation of this? So what all do I need to write the equation of this line? I need two independent data, right? So if I know its slope and I know a point on this, then I'll be able to write the equation. So let's see what the slope of this line is. So let the slope of this be m dash, right? Now your m and m dash, what should the relation between them be? If your line L1 and line L2 are perpendicular, then we know that m dash should be minus 1, right? Product of slope should be minus 1. So your m dash should be minus into minus b by a, which is b by a, right? So now you know the slope of this line. You should know a point on this, right? If you know a point on this line, if you know a point on this, let that point be x0, y0, then you can write the equation of the straight line. So basically the equation will look like this: y minus y0 is equals to m dash, which is b by a, into x minus x0. So this is what you have to do, or in other words, what you can do is, if you know the slope available with you, b by a, then the equation will be bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0 form, right? Bx minus ay, how did I write this? Bx minus ay, this I wrote using this. So the coefficient of whatever is there in your numerator, you just write that as it is, then write x and then put a minus sign, right? And whatever your coefficient of a y is, that will basically be your denominator. So the slope of this is b by a, right? So I did some reverse engineering to basically write this. So bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0 form, and if you know a point on this, then you can put in the point in this, minus ay0 plus k is equal to 0, and from here you'll be able to get k, ay0 minus bx0, and you can put this k back in this to get the equation of the straight line. So this is how you find the equation of a line perpendicular to a given line.